everybody, and welcome back to the shop. I wanted to make this video. I've been trying to get this door finished up, but one thing or another, I just still haven't got it done. So I'm going to show you what I got done so far, and it may have to wait a few weeks. This week is not going to be conducive to painting, but I've got it in epoxy, and then I had to go back and fix a little boo-boo that I should have caught before, and so it's still in epoxy and a little bit of primer on it. So here's what I got done so far. Alright everybody, I'm going to show you what I got done today. I ain't finished it, but pretty much got all around the top of the door. On this side, these louvers are pane. This top here is a pane. Around the bottom, and pretty much all the way to this side. So this is really the only side I like, and I'll finish it up hopefully tomorrow. Alright everybody, it's been several weeks since I shot that first clip, but I finally got it done. Got it all scuffed up. I went ahead and I sandblasted this other hinge right here and the bolts. I'd already done that one. I may end up having to take these back off to paint them. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get paint good up behind there. I did scratch a little bit into paint here and around here and around these when I took it off. So it's not fit to do any painting today. So I'm going to leave it right here. I got to flip it back over. But I think I'm going to go ahead and re-prime this back side. I was just going to shoot it with epoxy, but I think I'm going to need to re-prime it. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the shop. And today is a beautiful day, and I have decided to go ahead and re-prime this door. I'd already primed the front face of it, and I was just going to do the epoxy on the sides, but I've had bad luck just trying to epoxy over different shaded areas. So I'm going to go ahead and this is my first coat of primer, and it went on pretty smooth. So we're going to let it flash off and put a second coat, and hopefully this weekend, the weather's supposed to be really nice this weekend, so I'm planning on trying to get this door painted and cleared. Alright everybody, it's Saturday, and I've got this door wet sanded and washed and pretty much dried, I believe now. Got the floor wet down, and I had to come back and do a little more sanding on it, but I think I've got it. Got the inside pretty well dry, I hope. That's my biggest fears, getting water, you know, down here in these weep holes and then coming out on the paint as I'm painting. It's hard to see under this door. I mean, this thing's only about, you know, knee high, a little less than knee high. So you pretty much have to squat down to paint it. Well, that could have went better than it did. I forgot there was some pinholes in that body filler that I meant to touch up before I sprayed that other coat of primer, and I forgot it, and I didn't notice it when I was sanding, but when I got it sprayed, and this is just one coat, hit the daggum door with a hose right there, right in there. You can see these little pinholes. That's got to be touched up. So this is as far as I'm going right now. I'm going to let this cure overnight. Tomorrow I'll touch them pinholes up. We'll shoot a little bit of primer over that, sand it, and try to get two more coats of black on here. So as you can see, you know, it's 2 steps forward, 1 step back with this truck. I've got to get on other projects, so I'm afraid this truck door is going to have to be probably put on hold for at least a few weeks. I've got to get a rake finished up before hay season. I got to get started on it. So y'all stay tuned for some rake videos, and I'll get back with you. I appreciate y'all watching, and as always, please rate, comment, and subscribe if you haven't.